Well, I've got the steering box installed. I didn't realize it until after I put it on, but the bolt holes in the box are actually threaded and take their own bolts. I kept trying to shove the old original bolts through and couldn't figure out why they wouldn't go through. It's because they're threaded. But anyway, I've got that on. Got my hoses to where they'll pretty easily hook up. And Good Guys car shows this weekend. I'll probably buy me a new underhood harness. As you can tell, I kind of need one pretty bad. It's been past needing one. That's the old steering box, and I took it out all in one piece. I don't really know what for. That shaft on it has quite a bit of wear to it from where a bearing was bad. I can't imagine anybody ever rebuilding it. This is something pretty important to show, because the directions on this shortened steering column really don't capture this, but I think it's better to put all this hardware on the steering column before you try to install it. And I'm gonna put the new shaft through it after I get it put in. And you know, originally I bolted this part to the floor almost like the directions said, but really couldn't see how to make it work like I wanted it to. I put a zip tie on it to hold it up. Kind of wish I had somebody to help film this, but unfortunately everybody's gone right now. Last night I had my neighbor helping me. Anyway, we'll see what we get here. So I can wedge that through like that. Like I said, it goes through like that. This works a lot better than what I was trying to do before. Put that up here. Hang on just a second. Okay, yeah, so that worked a lot better. And I don't know if you can tell, but that's where the bolts go from the inside out versus the outside in on like the old one. Anyway, we just basically tighten that up, and then I took this zip tie and hung it like that just for right now. And then with it like that, I can just take and put this steering shaft through it. And hopefully that will all line up. I'll have to work with it some. Let's see how that looks on the outside. Oh, that's going to work out real nicely. I don't know if that shows up very well. Kind of got a bit of a glare. Sorry about the primitive videos and having to make this in several short videos, but if I spent all the time it took to edit these things and put them all together as one, I'd probably never get them uploaded. And this phone I've got, I guess I've got it on a setting that only allows me to video 5 minutes at a time. But I'm just taking my time on this. And not getting any rush, figuring it out. It's not that bad. Anyway, all I lack is finishing up. Maybe the next video will be of it completed. Thanks for watching.